All my memories. My childhood. My parents. They're all here. Why would my mom want me to come home just to sell the farm?
I don't think she wanted you to sell it. I think she wanted you to save it.
How? You know, we're not exactly flush with cash, especially after getting fired.
I don't know yet. But those reverse mortgages weren't because the bank was feeling generous. You may have super strength and super hearing, but I have super smell, and those loans don't smell right.
Yeah, I do have super smell, by the way. I just don't use it very often, you know? Not with two teenage boys in the house. It's kind of gross.
Two very upset teenage boys.
So that's why? That's why you never wanted us in the barn, because you keep a freaking alien ship in there?
Look, I can explain.
Yeah, can you? Can you explain how I fell 30 feet and nothing happened? Just all you said is that we got lucky, but that was a lie, wasn't it?
Yes. Yes, okay? It was a lie. Look, that ship brought me to Earth. I landed here in Smallville, right? In those cornfields over there. I was sent here when my planet, Krypton, was destroyed.
Krypton?
Yes. And because I wasn't from here, I had certain powers. Your grandparents, they took me in. They raised me. They taught me how to control my abilities, how to blend in, until the day I was ready to leave and become who I was sent here to be.
You're saying you're Superman? No, I've seen Superman before. We've seen him.
When your father first told me, I didn't understand either.
I understand. I understand all the excuses. All the times you were gone, you lied to us. You both did.
He was saving lives, Jordan.
That doesn't make it less true. You lied to protect his secret. All the things I've been feeling. You made me think I was crazy. They put me on bills.
Your mental health has nothing to do with who your father is.
How do you know that? I'm half human, half whatever the hell he is.
Do not yell at your mother, okay? This is not her fault. I'm the one that didn't want you to know.
Why?
Because I knew what kind of burden it would be if you both had powers. Or worse, if one of you had them and the other one didn't.
You think he's the reason we survived yesterday?
What are you talking about?
Go on, Dad. Go tell Superboy here why he's really so perfect.
We thought your athletic talents could be latent abilities starting to emerge, and then yesterday...
Like, the only way that both of you survived that accident is for at least one of you to be like me.
You wouldn't have it any other way, would you, Dad?
Jordan!
Don't try to talk to me, all right? You may have been sent here to be some hero, but you sure as hell weren't sent here to be a father.